The first batch of 100 passenger coaches for Pedma Bridge Rail Link project in Bangladesh rolled off the production line in Tangshan, China's Hebei province, on Tuesday. The coaches, developed by CRRC Tangshan, have a design speed of 120 km per hour. The Pedma Bridge Rail Link project is being constructed by the China Railway Group Limited. The 172 km project is scheduled to be completed in 2024. The rail link, also a vital channel that connects the Trans-Asian Railway network, is expected to greatly promote regional connectivity and the economic development of Bangladesh.